It's the UK's biggest hospital, with eventual capacity for 4,000 COVID-19 patients. Built inside a London conference centre, it took just 9 days to construct with the help of army engineers, dramatically expanding the critical care bed count, and other similar sites are underway. Prince Charles cut the virtual ribbon from his Scottish residence, having recovered from a bout of coronavirus.
The creation of this hospital is, above all, the result of an extraordinary collaboration and partnership between NHS managers, the military, and all those involved to create a centre on a scale that has never been seen before in the United Kingdom.
Someone who hasn't yet recovered is Boris Johnson. Due back at work today, a week after announcing he'd got the virus, Johnson still has a temperature, so there was another video message instead as a haggard-looking Prime Minister continues to self-isolate inside Downing Street.
Alas, I still have one of the symptoms, a minor symptom of I still have a temperature, and so in accordance with government advice, I must continue my self-isolation until that symptom itself goes.
The Prime Minister's call was amplified by the Health Minister, who earlier warned the UK peak may arrive sooner than expected, perhaps within the next few weeks. And work continues just about everywhere to prepare for it. Here in northwest London, the grim business of setting up a temporary morgue beside a crematorium. You can just make out the twin peaks of two refrigerated structures above the fence over there. London accounts for around a third of the UK's total numbers of infections and deaths. And new research by scientists at Imperial College suggests the actual London numbers could be much higher than advertised. Researchers say that huge gaps in testing capacity that the government is now trying to close, plus high numbers of very mild or asymptomatic cases, mean that 1 in 15 Londoners, or around 600,000 people, may have or have had the disease. That's 60 times more than the number of registered cases in London. Extrapolate that across the country and the spread of coronavirus appears far wider than anyone thought. Jonah, Al Jazeera, London.